This is a quick start guide for VocabularyShop. It shows you the basic steps to use the software. You should be able to start using the software after watching this tutorial. This is VocabularyShop's homepage. When you start the program, you will come to this page first. This is the menu bar. There are 3 menus on it. You can use the menu items to exit the program, to configure the program, and to get help from the program. Here are the 6 function icons. They are Select, Spelling, Game, Study, Browse, and Report. You click the icons to start these functions. Notice on the bottom of the home page there is a line says Default User. It tells you that the program is currently used by a user whose username is Default User. Default User is created for demonstration purpose. You can look around, try how the program works under this user account. For your study you should create your own account and study under your name. Your account will hold all information about your study. That information enables the program to manage your vocabulary building process to achieve high efficiency. Suppose your name is John Smith, let's create a user account for you. Click Settings, choose User Account, choose Add New User, then type in the username which is John Smith. Click OK. Now a new user account is created but the current user is still default user. You need to switch to the new user. Click Settings, choose User Account, choose Switch User, select John Smith. Click OK. Now the current user is switched to you, John Smith. Let's go to the report page and see what John Smith has. Everything is 0. John Smith's word selection is empty, which is correct. In order to begin your study you need to put some words in your selection. You need to use the select function to do that. Click the select icon to enter the select function. Let's pick some words from commonly used words group. Click the drop-down menu, select commonly used word group. Words from that group are listed in the source list. Highlight some words in the source list. Click the Move to Study List button to move highlighted words to the study list. Click the Save button to finish this round of selection process. Let's go to Report function to see your study progress right now. The report says you have some words in your selection and all of them are new words. None of them has ever been studied, which is correct. Now you are ready to begin your study. Here we want to show you how to use the study function to conduct your study. That function is the core function of this program. It will manage every aspects of your study in the most optimized manner. You can concentrate on your study 100%, except when all new words have been studied and you have to go back to select more new words. To begin study, click the study icon.
Abnormal.
A multiple choice question is presented to you. Choose your answer, then click the next button.
Abolished.
If your answer is correct, the next multiple choice question will follow.
Abolition.
If your answer is wrong, you will be offered to go to the dictionary. The process will repeat until you decide to quit. When you click the quit button, your study session is ended. That is all for this quick start guide. For detailed information on how to use the study function, please see the tutorial for the study function. Please check the user guide and other tutorials on our website for more information on how to use various functions of this software. Thank you for watching.